Welcome back, riders. If you've been waiting for Honda to shake up the adventure world again, today's video is for you. Imagine a machine that blends Dakar-inspired toughness with modern touring comfort. The all-new Honda CRF750 2026. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Honda's most exciting middleweight adventure bike yet. So stay with us till the end. The Honda CRF750 2026 is designed to sit perfectly between lightweight dual sports and heavyweight ADV giants. It carries the aggressive CRF DNA, but adds long-distance capability, making it ideal for riders who want one bike for highways, dirt trails, and cross-country adventures. From the first glance, the sharp rally-style front, tall windscreen, and muscular fuel tank make it clear. This bike is built to explore. Powering the CRF750 is a refined 750cc parallel twin engine, tuned for strong low-end torque and smooth mid-range performance. Honda focuses on real-world rideability here, meaning effortless highway cruising and confident off-road control. Whether you're climbing rocky trails or overtaking on the freeway, the throttle response feels predictable and powerful without being overwhelming. The chassis and suspension setup are where the CRF750 truly shines. With long travel Showa suspension, high ground clearance, and a lightweight frame, this bike is ready for serious off-road action. Honda has balanced comfort and control perfectly, so long rides don't feel tiring, and rough terrain doesn't feel intimidating. Technology plays a big role in the 2026 CRF750. Expect a full-color TFT display, multiple riding modes, switchable traction control, cornering ABS, and cruise control for long highway runs. Honda keeps everything rider-focused, easy to access, easy to understand, and extremely reliable. When it comes to comfort, Honda hasn't cut corners. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, well-padded seat, and excellent wind protection make the CRF750 a true long-distance companion. Whether you're riding solo or loaded with luggage, the bike feels stable and confidence-inspiring. So who is this bike for? The Honda CRF750 2026 is perfect for riders who want adventure without compromise. It's not too heavy, not underpowered, and not overly complicated. It's the kind of motorcycle that invites you to ride farther, explore more, and take the long way home. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest motorcycle updates. Welcome back anytime, and until the next ride, keep the throttle steady and the adventure alive.